When ribbon out appears on the front panel display, remove the used ribbon. Open the printhead. Turn the ribbon take-up spindle counterclockwise to wind up the used ribbon. Pull the spool of used ribbon off and discard. Pull the empty spool off of the ribbon supply spindle and discard. Load a new roll of ribbon. Feed the ribbon leader under the ribbon roller and under the printhead. Bring the ribbon leader over the upper ribbon roller and then towards the ribbon take-up spindle. Wind the ribbon leader and attach the ribbon counterclockwise around the ribbon take-up spindle. Turn the spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Press pause to enable printing.